Data analysis tools. Introduction to data analysis tools. Data analysis tools refer to software programs and applications that help users collect, process, analyze, and visualize data. According to a recent survey, 46% of organizations reported using big data analytics to gain insights into their business operations. Data analysis tools are widely used across industries, from finance and healthcare to marketing and retail. They can help businesses identify patterns, trends, and anomalies in the data, make data-driven decisions, and improve their overall performance and profitability. This tutorial explores some of the top data analysis tools that data analysts can use to gain insights and add value to their organizations. 12 Data Analysis Tool. Number 1 data analysis tool is R Programming. Number 2 data analysis tool is Tableau. Number 3 data analysis tool is Python. Number 4 data analysis tool is Excel. Number 5 data analysis tool is PowerBI. Number 6 data analysis tool is SAS. Number 7 data analysis tool is Apache Spark. Number 8 data analysis tool is RapidMiner. Number 9 data analysis tool is KNIME. Number 10 data analysis tool is Qlik View. Number 11 data analysis tool is Splunk. And number 12 data analysis tool is IBM SPSS Modeler. Number 1 data analysis tool is R Programming. R is the industry's leading analytical tool, commonly used in data modeling and statistics. It is a free language and software for statistical computing and graphics programming. R allows manipulation and information presented in a variety of ways. R compiles and operates on many platforms, including Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. It has the option to navigate packages by category 11,556 packages. R also offers instruments to install all the packages automatically, which can be well assembled with large amounts of information according to the user's needs. Number 2 data analysis tool is Tableau. Tableau is a powerful data analytics and visualization tool to explore and analyze data from various sources. It offers drag-and-drop functionality to create interactive dashboards and reports, making it easy for non-technical users to work with data. Tableau supports many data sources and file formats, including spreadsheets, databases, cloud-based data, and big data platforms. It provides a range of advanced analytics features such as predictive modeling, forecasting, and statistical analysis to gain insights into data. Tableau also supports collaboration and sharing of data and reports among teams, making it an ideal tool for enterprise-level data analysis. Number 3 data analysis tool is Python. Python is an object-oriented, user-friendly, open-source language developed by Guido van Rossum in the early 1980s. It is a popular language for data analytics due to its simplicity, versatility, and extensive libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. It offers various data visualization tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn, which helps to create interactive charts and graphs to analyze data better. With Python's capabilities in machine learning, it is widely used in predictive analytics, natural language processing, and image processing. It is an open-source language with a vast community offering support, documentation, and tutorials, making learning and implementing data analytics easy. Number 4 data analysis tool is Excel. Excel is a Microsoft software program part of the software productivity suite Microsoft Office. It is a core and standard analytical tool used in almost every industry. Excel is essential when analytics on the inner information of the customer is required. It analyzes the complicated job of summarizing the information using a preview of pivot tables to filter it according to customer requirements. Excel has the advanced option of business analytics to assist with modeling pre-created options such as automatic relationship detection, DAX, measures, and time grouping. Typically, uses of Excel involve calculating cells, pivoting tables, and graphing multiple instruments. For example, one can create a monthly budget for Excel, track business expenses, or sort and organize large amounts of data with an Excel table. Number 5 data analysis tool is PowerBI. PowerBI is a powerful and user-friendly business intelligence tool that allows you to create interactive data visualizations and reports quickly and easily. It can connect to various data sources, including Excel spreadsheets, databases, and cloud-based services like Azure and Salesforce. With Power BI, you can create custom dashboards, charts, and graphs that make it easy to visualize and understand complex datasets. Power BI includes advanced analytics features like forecasting, clustering, and trend analysis, which can help you gain deeper insights into your data. It also allows you to share your reports and dashboards with others, collaborate in real time, and access your data from anywhere using the cloud-based Power BI service. Number 6 data analysis tool is SAS. SAS stands for Statistical Analysis System and is a programming environment and language for data management and analysis. The SAS Institute developed SAS in 1966 and developed it in the 1980s and 1990s. SAS is easy to manage, and information from all sources can be analyzed. In 2011, SAS launched a wide range of customer intelligence goods and many SAS modules, commonly applied to client profiling and future opportunities for web, social media, and marketing analytics. It can also predict, manage, and optimize their behavior. SAS uses memory and distributed processing to analyze enormous databases quickly. Moreover, SAS helps to model predictive information. Number 7 data analysis tool is Apache Spark. Created in 2000 by the University of California, AMP Lab of Berkeley. Apache Spark is a quick-scale data processing engine and runs apps 100 times quicker in memory and 10 times faster on disk in Hadoop clusters. Spark is based on data science, and its idea facilitates data science. Apache Spark is also famous for developing information pipelines and machine models. Spark also has a library, MLlib, that supplies several machine tools for recurring methods in information science, such as regression, grading, clustering, collaborative filtration, etc. Apache Software Foundation launched Spark to speed up the Hadoop software computing process. Number 8 data analysis tool is RapidMiner. RapidMiner is an open-source data analytics tool for data preparation, machine learning, and predictive modeling. It offers an intuitive graphical user interface, supports over 40 machine learning algorithms, and provides various data visualization options. RapidMiner supports various data types, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, making it a versatile tool for multiple data analytics projects. The platform offers a drag-and-drop interface that enables users to quickly design and execute data processing, modeling, and visualization workflows without requiring extensive programming knowledge. RapidMiner also provides a community-driven marketplace where users can access hundreds of pre-built machine learning algorithms, data connectors, and extensions and share their custom-built components with others in the community. Number 9 data analysis tool is KNIME. A team of software engineers from Constance University developed KNIME in January 2004. It is an open-source workflow platform for information processing, building, and execution. KNIME utilizes nodes to build graphs that map information flow from input to output. With its modular pipeline idea, KNIME is a powerful leading open-source reporting and built-in analytical tool to evaluate and model the information through visual programming, integrating different data mining elements and machine learning. Every node carries out a single workflow job. Number 10 data analysis tool is Qlik View. Qlik View has many distinctive characteristics, such as patented technology and memory processing, which can quickly execute the outcome for end customers and store the information in the document itself. Data association is automatically retained in Qlik View, and almost 10% of the initial volume can be compressed. Color visualization of the information connection, a particular color for associated and non-related information. As an auto-service BI tool, Qlik View is usually easy to collect without having unique data analysis or programming abilities for most company customers. It is often used in marketing, staffing, and sales departments, as well as in management dashboards to monitor general company transactions at the highest management level. Most organizations train company users before providing software access, while no unique abilities are needed. Number 11 data analysis tool is Splunk. Launched in 2004, Splunk gradually became viral among businesses and began to purchase their company licenses. Splunk is a software technology used to monitor, search, analyze, and view information produced by the computer in real time. It can track and read various log files and save information on indexes as occurrences. Splunk can display information on different types of dashboards with these tools. Number 12 data analysis tool is IBM SPSS Modeler. IBM SPSS Modeler is a powerful data mining and predictive analytics software that helps businesses and organizations identify patterns and relationships within the data to gain insights and make informed decisions. The tool provides a range of advanced statistical and analytical techniques such as clustering, decision trees, and neural networks to help users uncover hidden patterns and trends in their data. With a user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop functionality, IBM SPSS Modeler allows users to quickly and easily build and deploy predictive models without a deep understanding of programming or data science. It contains a variety of sophisticated analytical and algorithms. It is most potent when used to uncover strong patterns in continuing business processes and then capitalize by deploying business models to predict choices better and achieve optimum results. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.